In this video, I'll show you how to turn any iPhone photo into a 3D image using a brand new built-in feature that creates a spatial, depth-based effect. So if you've taken a photo on your iPhone and want the background and foreground to move differently, giving it a realistic 3D look, here's how to do it. First, open the Photos app and select the photo you want to transform. At the top right corner, you'll see a small hexagon icon with an image inside it. Tap on that. As soon as you tap it, your photo is converted into a 3D spatial view. Now, when you gently move your phone, you'll notice the foreground and background shift at different speeds, creating a depth effect. You don't need to edit anything. The iPhone automatically detects depth and applies the effect for you. Keep in mind, this 3D effect only appears while you're viewing it. If you exit the photo, it will go back to the original flat image. But here's where it gets even better. If you want to keep the 3D effect, you can set this photo as your wallpaper. Tap the share icon, then choose Use as Wallpaper. Before setting it, look above the Add Widgets option and tap the same hexagon icon again. You'll see a message that says Generating Spatial Scene. Once that finishes, your wallpaper now has a live 3D effect. As you move your phone, the image shifts naturally, giving your lock screen a spatial, almost lifelike look. This works especially well with photos that have clear foreground subjects, like people, pets, or objects. And that's it. You've just turned a regular iPhone photo into a 3D spatial image and even used it as a wallpaper. If this video helped you, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who loves iPhone tips. We're a new channel, and your support really helps. Thanks for watching.